Hi, it's Emily from WTI. Only you can prevent wildfires. And that's why you need this fire mat from ONLOAD. This fire mat is such a nice piece of gear to have for peace of mind. We have it in the large size of 65 by 39. My husband specifically wanted us to have a good quality fire mat to take with us camping and overlanding for use with our titanium stove or for use with our hibachi grill. Here in the Pacific Northwest, wildfires are a real problem during the summer. And even times when there is not a specific fire ban, it makes me feel so much better knowing that I have a protective fire mat under any fire that I'm having. This has worked really well while we're camping, grilling in the backyard, or overlanding in remote areas. If you have a patio or deck that you want to protect, this is also a really nice thing to put under your standard barbecue grill. It is made of 3 layers of silicone-coated fiberglass, and it can withstand temperatures of 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Because it's made of such nice material, it can definitely stand the test of time, but it's still portable and lightweight. I love that it comes with this really nice quality carry bag, so it's convenient to grab and take with you when you're camping or on the go. If it's important to you to be safe when it comes to fire in the summertime especially, or if you just want to protect your deck or other property, I really think this is a wise investment. Compared to the damage done by fire, this is a drop in the bucket. You should definitely get yourself one of these fire mats, and I love this one from ONLOAD, but that's just my point of view.